So what they're trying to mention here, so we have here lymph. This is like the picture showing that good one, good drainage, taking the toxins out. If you have frequent infections, which is also meaning you are not clearing toxins from your body and your immune system down, overworked with multiple toxin burden, and you have increased circulation. So this is also another sign that toxic storage accumulating in fat cells. So aluminum, this is this thing that you have. Anyone saw that? We see that. Because that's aluminum ingredient reacts with the sweat to stain clothes. Yeah. Toxic, yes. It's toxic. Absolutely. Right. So it's first of all, we have a lot of cases neurotoxic inflammation. Number two, it's like people with microbial, they know what does it mean oxidative stress and microbial dysfunction. They found that. So what we have here, aluminum, it's causing and affecting a neurotoxicity caused by inflammation in the nerves, and also here with the cellular and mitochondria. Yeah. Okay. Any question? That's why we are focusing on personalized medicine. That's the right way to approach and heal the people. It's not just go and take that supplement. No, which supplement your body needs. What you need. So the first rule of detoxification, stop taking toxins as possible. As possible. Try to remove most of them. Do your best. I know it's not easy shot, but do your best. And we have, you can detox what you don't identify. So our comprehensive detox assessment analysis that helps you to see your gut health. We see your liver function. We see your mitochondrial health. And we see your lymphatic flow. Detoxifications, one of the things important, always increase fiber. Fiber is absorbed and leaves the toxins. We find that in cruciferous vegetables, which is very helpful for the liver detoxifying mechanisms. Very helpful.
Jazakallah khairan. Allah reward you. Thank you for such a beautiful workshop. Inshallah, we're looking forward to having each other again. Maybe, once every couple of months, or, reviving our good habits.